Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, good evening, Antu. Tantu. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Wow. Hello, it's nice to see you again, Antu. How are you today?
Happy.
You're
Pusa.
happy. Wow. What did you do today?
Play with my friend.
Wow, you play with your friend? That, that's very good to know. And did you already eat? Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes, wow, very good. So now, are you ready for the continuation of our lesson last time? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So for this one, for our lesson or unit 3, lesson 1, so we will still talk about occupation. So basically, this will be the continuation of our lesson last time because we are not able to finish it. So let's go with, but first, before we start our lesson, so let's first have a review of what we have learned last time, especially the occupations that we have learned last time. So let's see if you still remember what are those jobs that we have learned. So let's go with our next page, which is let's go with this first picture. What do you think, if you remember, what do you think is the occupation or job of this girl or this woman? It starts with letter C. It's what is the occupation of this woman? It's cashier.
Cashier.
Very good. So next, let's go with our second woman. What do you think is her job or work? She, she works in a library. What do we call them? What do we call those people who works at the library? We call them
Librarian.
very good. One more time, let's say librarian.
Librarian.
Perfect job. So next, how about this man? What do you think is his job? He works at the post office. What do we call those people who works at the post office? They are,
They are motel.
they are
They are posted.
postal worker. We call them as, they are
They
postal.
are posted. Postal worker.
Very good. So next, what do we call the people or people who works in the shop? So these persons sell things in a shop. What do we call them? What is their occupation? For those person who sells, they sell things in a shop. They are,
They are
they are.
person.
Yes, perfect job. So they are sales person. How about this woman? So she is working at a restaurant. What do we call those people who works in the restaurant? So they are the one who brings food and drinks to people in the restaurant. What do we call them? What do we call them, Fansu? We call them as sir, sir. What are they?
Server.
Yes, wow, very good. They are server. How about our last occupation here? What do we call the doctor for animals? Starts with letter V. V. They are
Hey.
vet. Vet, very good. So vet. So these are the occupations that we learned last time. So now, let us continue our lesson. So let us find out more about these occupations, especially where do they work. So let's go with our next page. Okay, so now let's listen with our sound. So you can tell teacher if you cannot hear the sound, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's have a listen. It's 39. Can
Page
can
25.
you hear the sound?
C.
Yeah.
Can you hear? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So now let's play the sound.
Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Who works at the supermarket?
The cashier works at the supermarket. 1.
Okay, so let's first read this example here. So can you read this one, Thantu?
Who work at the supermarket?
Very good. So our answer here will be the
The capsule work in supermarket.
very good. So good job. So for this question, we can see here the question has who. So when we have this question that starts with who, so it is a question about a person. So we will answer it. What will be the person is doing? Whereas in here, the word who asks about the cashier or who works at the supermarket. So the answer we will give where, or the answer is who will be is the one who will work at the supermarket. That is why. So we have here who works at the supermarket. So as we can see, so in the supermarket, we have here the cashier. So the cashier works at the supermarket. So that will be our sentence pattern. So as if we see questions that start with who, so it is or the answer will always be about a person. Okay? So next, let's try and practice this sentence pattern. So let's go with number 1 or the first picture. Okay, so let's listen once.
Who works at the supermarket? Who works at the supermarket? The cashier works at the supermarket.
Okay, so now Thantu, who works at the supermarket? Thantu, are you there? Who works?
Supermarket.
Yes, who works at the supermarket?
Cashier.
What?
Cashier.
The cashier. So now let's complete this sentence. What will be our sentence? The cashier
The
work.
cashier works at the supermarket.
Very good. So the cashier works at the supermarket. So now let's listen with number 2.
2.
Who works at the library? The librarian works at the library.
Okay, so for number 2, so Thantu, who works at the library?
Librarian.
The librarian?
Yes.
Yes. What will be our complete sentence? The
The
librarian.
librarian works at the library.
Okay, very good. So when we have this question pattern, so especially we have here who, and we have here the place where the person is working. So we will answer it in a complete sentence. For example, for this one, who works at the library? So the one who is working at the library is the librarian. And we will continue the sentence with this sentence pattern. So works at the library. So we will input it after the person or who is the one who is working at a specific location. So next, let's try once again for number 3.
3.
Who works at the post office?
The postal worker works at the post office.
Okay, so next, let's have our next question. So who works at the post office? Who works at the post office?
Post.
The post
Post. Post.
the postal worker. Yes, and what we will do to continue the sentence? We will add
Post.
the postal
Post.
worker
The postal worker
works at. What will be our complete sentence? The postal worker works at
the post work at the post office.
Yes, very good. So we will have here the answer in the complete sentence. So we will have the who, which is the postal worker. And we will continue the sentence with this sentence pattern, which is works at the and the place where the person is working. So next, let's go with number 4. So please listen, okay?
4.
Who works at the department store?
The salesperson works at the department store.
Okay, so next question. So who works at the department store?
4.
Who works at the department store?
The salesperson works at the department store.
So who works at the department store?
Mm,
What do we call the person who works in a shop or a store? They are the sales. Who works at the department store? Thantu. Thantu, are you there? Who works at the department store? The sales.
Sales.
Do you hear the audio earlier, the sound?
Yes.
Yes. Are you listening into the sound? Let's listen it once again.
No.
Four.
No.
Who works at the department store?
The salesperson works at the department store.
Okay, so who works at the department store, Thantu?
salesperson?
The salesperson. Very good. And where is the sales worker or the salesperson working? The salesperson works at the where is
The
this?
salesperson works at the department store.
Very good. So we should remember that we will answer in a complete sentence. Okay, but very good because I can see that you remember. So next, let's please listen with number 5.
5.
Who works at the restaurant?
The server works at the restaurant.
Okay, let's listen once again.
The salesperson works at the department.
5.
Who works at the restaurant?
The server works at the restaurant.
Okay, one more time.
5.
Who works at the restaurant?
The server works at the restaurant.
Okay, so now, plan 2. Who works at the restaurant? Who
Server.
works? The server. The server. Where does the server works?
The server at the restaurant.
Very good. Good job, Tantu. So let's read this word again. Let's say restaurant. Let's say restaurant.
Restaurant.
Very good. Good job. So now let's go with our last occupation. So let's listen.
6.
Who works at the animal hospital?
The vet works at the animal hospital.
Okay, one more time. Okay, let's listen to that.
6.
Who works at the animal hospital?
The vet works at the animal hospital.
Who works at the animal hospital?
The vet works at the animal hospital.
Okay, so now Tantu, who worked at the animal hospital? Who works at the animal hospital?
The vet to in the hospital.
Very good. So the vet works at the animal hospital. So good job. So now let's see if all of our answers are correct. So let's go with our next page. Okay, so for this one, so let's read it all together. So teacher will read the question and you will read the answers. So who works at the supermarket, Thantu? Who works? Let's read. Who works at the supermarket? The cashier.
The cashier works in the supermarket.
Very good. Who works at the library?
The librarian.
Where does the librarian works? Where does the librarian works? The librarian works at.
At library.
Very good. So who works at the post office?
The post work.
Where does the postal worker let's read the sentence. The postal worker works
Also, work
at the where does the postal worker works? At the post
post
office.
office.
Yes. Okay, let's read this word once again. Let's say postal. Let's say postal. And two, are you there? Are you listening to teacher?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's say the word again. Let's say postal
Postal
worker.
worker.
Okay, very good. So next, who works at the department store?
Salesman.
The salesperson. One more time, let's say salesperson.
Salesman work at the department store.
Very good. One more time, let's say this word. Sales person. Sales.
Also,
Okay, one more time. Salesperson.
person.
Very good. Good job. You got it right. So next, who works at the restaurant?
Server.
The server. And where does the server works? The server works at the
Restaurant.
very good. So next, who works at the animal hospital? Who works at the animal hospital?
Survey.
The vet. Where does the vet works? The vet. The vet works at the where does the vet works? Plan to.
So,
At the
animal hospital. At the animal hospital.
very good at the animal hospital. So good job. Good job in this activity at Thantu. So now let's go with our next activity. Okay, so we have our question here, and you will answer what will be the correct answer. So let's have our question. So, who works at the restaurant? Is it the salesperson, the librarian, the server, or the vet?
Server.
The server, very good. So, now let's read the sentence. This one, let's read the sentence.
The server work at the restaurant.
Very good. So, one more time, let's say restaurant.
Restaurant.
Very good. Good job. So, next, let's go with our next question. Okay, so who works at the department store? Is it the librarian, cashier, postal worker, or salesperson?
Cashier.
The cashier or salesperson? Is it the cashier or salesperson?
Salesperson.
Very good. It is the salesperson. So now let's read the sentence in a whole. The
salesperson works at the department store.
Very good. So next, let's go with our next question. So who works at the library? Is it the cashier, the salesperson, the librarian, or the server? Who works at the library?
In library.
The librarian. Very good. So now, let's read the whole sentence. The
So library. What is the library?
Very good. So let's read this word again. So let's read it slowly. Let's say librarian. Let's say librarian.
Librarian.
Very good. So the librarian. So next, let's go with our next question. Or next question. Who works at the post office? Is it the cashier, the postal worker, salesperson, or vet? Who works at the post office? And two, who works at the post office?
Boston work.
One more time, let's say worker. Worker. Let's say postal worker.
Postal worker.
Very good. So now let's read the sentence or the whole sentence. Let's have the postal worker.
Postal worker work in the post office.
Very good. The postal worker works at the post office. So next question. Okay, so who works at the animal hospital? Is it the vet, the postal worker, salesperson, or server?
So wait.
The vet, very good. So now let's read the sentence. The vet
The vet work at the animal hospital.
Very good. So good job. So next, let's have our next question. So who works at the supermarket? Is it the cashier, librarian, salesperson, or vet? Who works at
Cashier.
the cashier? Very good. So now let's read the whole sentence. The
So cashier work at the supermarket.
Okay, very good. So good job, Thantu, for this lesson. So we are still not able to finish it. So we will continue it in our next class. Okay. So thank you so much, Thantu, and see you again soon. Okay. So next time, listen to teacher. Okay. So thank you so much, Thantu, and bye bye. Thank you. Goodbye.